Trapped in a suicidal spend, attract, lose, and start over cycle, many business owners exhaust mountains of money on profit-killing discounts that only drive temporary spurts of junk traffic. It's as frustrating as trying to fill a bathtub without a stopper in the drain. Well, that's exactly why Repeat Returns merge loyalty, rewards, email marketing, mobile marketing, and the power of social media into one complete program that gives your customers continual and repeated reasons to visit and spend more money. Here's why it works. Ordinary email programs just dump the same offer to the same customers on the same day. Unfortunately, people don't buy when a business feels like advertising. They buy when the timing's right for them. So it's important that you're top of mind at the right time. That's why Repeat Returns developed a smart delivery system that communicates a steady stream of messages with offers based on events in their lives and their individual spending habits. We deliver the right message to the right person on the right day. And unlike ordinary email programs that send discounts, which cause customers to spend less and only drive a single visit, Repeat Returns rewards customers for spending more money with you, and only after they do, which drives continuous visits. Plus, each message comes with a powerful tiebreaker, making it easy for customers to choose you over your competitors. That's because they earn bonus points just for looking at your offers, responding to your offers, and referring friends and family. This motivates and mobilizes them into a promotional army who use tools like Facebook and Twitter to spread the word and drive mobs of spend-ready customers through your doors. On top of that, our full marketing suite allows you to launch contests and sweepstakes and surveys, even drive traffic at the push of a button. Repeat Returns is easy to use, guaranteed in writing to increase your sales within the next 90 days. And it's so affordable, you can cover it out of petty cash. To find out why more and more business owners are making the switch from ordinary to extraordinary, call or click right now to learn more.